morning friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshu Cover of class 5th. I am here to discuss poem 1 How Beautiful is the Rain with all of you. This is a chapter of class 5th. Subject English Reader. In this video we are going to discuss first word meaning of this poem. Second, fill in the blanks of this poem. Third, reference to context of this poem. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. Friends, इस वीडियो से पहले हम लोगों ने इंग्लिश रीडर के 2 चैप्टर्स डिस्कस किए हैं। आप इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स को ज़रूर देख लें, क्योंकि इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है। और हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी की सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन। फर्स्ट, स्प्रोचिंग. इट इज अ वर्ब व्हिच मीन्स burning. Second, fiery. It is an adjective which means extremely hot. Third, clatters. It is a noun which means to move with a rattling sound. Fourth, tramp. It is also a noun which means to walk noisily. Fifth, hoofs. It is also a noun which means the horny part of the foot of a horse. Let's move on. 6. Gushes. It is a verb which means to flow out in a rapid stream. 7. Struggles out. It is a noun which means to move out with difficulty. 8. Spout. It is an adjective which means a stream of liquid issuing from somewhere with great force. 9. Swift. It is also an adjective which means fast. 10th, gutter. It is a noun which means drain. And the last word of word meaning is roars. It is also a noun which means to flow with a loud sound. Second, we will discuss fill in the blanks of this poem. Question number 1. The rain is welcomed because it comes after a long spell of dash. Answer of this question is heat and dust. The rain is welcomed because it comes after a long spell of heat and dust. Question number 2. It rains in all the dash and the dash. Answer of this question is broad and fiery street and narrow lane. It rains in all the broad and fiery street and the narrow lane. Next question. The sound that the rain makes on the roof is compared with the sound of dash. Answer of this question is the tramps of hoof. The sound that the rain makes on the roof is compared with the sound of the tramps of hoof. Question number 4. The rain dash and dash across the dash. Answer of this question is force and window pane. The rain pours and pours across the window pane. Last question of fill in the blanks is, during the rainy season, even gutters seem like dash. Answer of this question is roads. During the rainy season, even gutters seem like roads. Third, we will discuss reference to context 1 of this poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain? Question number 1. Name of the poem and the poet. Answer of this question is poem How Beautiful is the Rain, poet H.W. Longfellow. Question number 2. When does the rain looks beautiful? Answer of this question is rain looks beautiful after the dust and heat. Reference to context 2. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Question number 1. Write 2 pairs of rhyming words from the above lines. Answer of this question is the 2 pairs of rhyming words from the above lines are roofs, hoofs and out, spout. Question number 2. Whom does it refer to in the above lines? Answer of this question is in the above lines it refers to the rain. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, English Reader All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।